QUEENIFICATION1 back at you again with yet another video. Happy Friday, you guys. Okay, so I know I look a little crazy right now. My face looks really shiny, my hair looks a mess, but you will find out exactly why in just a second if you keep watching the video. Okay, so if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of beauty videos, skincare, hair care, and all of that good stuff in between. As also wig unboxings and things like that. I'm trying to get everything out right now, you guys. So sorry that I'm tripping over myself. Anyway, a few weeks back, I did a video on my absolute favorite skincare product out there, which is Bentonite clay, you guys. I got the big jar. I love this stuff. This is amazing. I told you guys I'm acne prone. I also have a video on my acne journey. I will iCard that above here, I believe it is. But I will iCard that. I'm not going to go over this again, but I did state in that Bentonite clay video that I also use that the Bentonite clay on my hair. So that's why I'm coming to you guys looking a little crazy right now, because that is exactly what I'm going to do, and I haven't done it in a really long time. It used to make my hair really, really soft, so I'm just trying to see if it still kind of does that, because one thing is I've never actually used the Bentonite clay on my hair after I started like bleaching my hair out and coloring it red. So I haven't used it on my hair since my hair was like natural, like absolutely no chemicals in it at all. So I want to see if it does the same kind of thing as it did. Now what I am going to do is this is around the time that I normally do my Bentonite clay masks. So oh, I'm starting to get ashy, y'all. Anyway, this is around the time that I usually do my Bentonite clay face masks. So I decided to not completely have y'all sit through the entire Bentonite clay video again. But again, you guys can see that video, which I will again iCard above. But I am going to do the video. I know I keep saying I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to work on that. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it in my hair and see if it does the same thing to my hair. I wish I still had that video up. If some of you guys have been following me for a while, you know that way back in the day, I did videos before, of course, and my channel has basically always been the same hair care, skincare, wigs, things like that. But way back in the day when I first started doing videos, I mentioned this product. I think the video is private now because a lot of my older videos from like 7-8 years ago, you guys, I totally just put those on private because the quality of the video, the lighting of those videos is kind of horrid, is bad, is horrible. So I just kind of, you know, made all of those videos private. But I used to use that, the Bentonite clay in my hair. That was the whole point. So that's what I'm going to do today in the video, just to kind of compare, I guess, for myself. And just so you guys, I can give you guys an idea, any of you guys or girls out there that also color treat your hair, bleach your hair out and things like that. Just, you know, give you an idea of what it does with my hair. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I have mixed my Bentonite clay. For you guys who don't know or haven't tried Bentonite clay before and you haven't seen my Bentonite clay video, I'll just let you know, you mix a couple scoops of your Bentonite clay. Mix your Bentonite clay, which looks like this. Let's see. Maybe I can pour it out a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. So yeah, it looks like that. So you're gonna mix that with some apple cider vinegar. I've heard people try it with regular vinegar and with water. I've never tried it with water or white vinegar. I've only done it with apple cider vinegar. So it's I had a brand new hair coloring bowl and a brand new hair coloring brush. So I don't use this at all on my hair ever. I've only ever used this bowl and brush for my Bentonite clay. I do have other bowls and brushes for my hair. Anyway, with that out the way, this is how it's going to look, or similar to this. After you mix those two together, you kind of want it to be a cake batter consistency, but I actually made mine a little bit thinner because this is not only going to go on my face, it's also going to go in my hair. And you don't want it too thick when you put it in your hair because, trust me, it makes a mess. I'm not going to make you guys suffer through me rinsing it out and everything like that. I will put it in my hair, let it sit, I believe, for like 10 minutes or so. Let it sit in my hair to dry, and then I'll come back and let you guys see. And then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'll come back again, you know, so you'll see. So anyway, I made it a little bit thinner because it is going into my hair as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my face, and I'll come back and show you guys how I put it in my hair. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I know I look crazy, but I have the Bentonite clay on my face. I'm going to try and hurry up and do this because as it dries, your face starts to feel a little bit tighter and tighter. So eventually I'm not going to be able to really talk. And you'll see that in my actual Bentonite clay skincare video. But anyway, I'm going to now put it in my hair. For my face, I usually use the brush to apply it. Again, as you will see in my Bentonite clay skincare video. Anyway, now for my hair, what I usually do, to be honest, you guys, there is no rhyme or reason. I use my hands. But I take a little bit in my hand like this, and I just, first off, I just put it, you know, into my hair, starting out on like my roots, of course. And I just kind of, I don't want to say smack it in there, but I just kind of rub it in there a little bit. Especially on my root areas, and just do that with it. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more. Okay, so I do that, and I make sure I cover the front of my hair first. Okay, and then I start doing like chunks, and I make sure I definitely get the ends of my hair. And I rub that through. Now, I just did a shampoo with my, can't think of the name of it right now, but I just did a complete shampoo on my hair. And I did a deep conditioning treatment. But this serves as a mask, like a hair mask. So I'm going to do that as well. As I said, or maybe I didn't say, but recently I did some color correction in my hair. Make sure, you know, my hair isn't losing moisture and all that good stuff. So it's going to kind of look a little bubbly when you first do it, because when you put in the apple cider vinegar, it has a reaction with the Bentonite clay, and my face is drying. So I'm trying to hurry up here. So you just kind of want to let it sit for a minute, just to, so the reaction calms down a little bit. So I'm just mixing it, you guys, and basically I let it sit in my hair, and I let it sit on my face until it dries up, and then I rinse it out. So I'll come back after it's dry, you guys, and just let you guys see. I'm sorry I look so weird, but yeah, just let you guys see. I won't let you have you here suffering through me like rinsing it out, because I'm telling you, this stuff makes a mess, but it is worth it. Yeah, so I do that, and yeah, so I just let it sit. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes here, you guys, and I will be back. I will absolutely be back to let you see what happened once it dried and all that good stuff. And then I will rinse it and come back again and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, I will see. Okay, you guys, so I'm back right here. I'm just, you know, trying to show you that my face is really, really tight and I can't talk. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover. I'm going to do a 360 and show you guys how it looks dry on my hair. So here I go. This is the right side. This is the back. I know I got it all over my neck, but I couldn't see what I was doing. But yeah, I got it all over the back of my neck. That's the back. I just put in a little bun. This is the left side. And this is me just trying to turn around in this little space I have. And yeah, so it's dry now, you guys. And I will be back in a second. Bye. Okay, you guys, I am back. That was a process, I'm gonna tell y'all. Okay, so before I get into my final results and thoughts and everything, so I'm gonna just tell you what I did. I actually rinsed the bentonite clay off of my face, and I just used my Neutrogena oil-free moisture on my face as I usually do after I do my bentonite clay mask. And for my hair, that bentonite clay was not coming out with me just rinsing it. I tried rinsing it for a while, and it just was not trying to come out, y'all. So I ended up having to shampoo it out of my hair. Now I will say my hair it's a little bit soft. Now when I first shampooed it out, I don't know if it's because, I double shampooed my hair, because I did initially shampoo my hair before I put the bentonite clay in it. So I don't know if that's what's making my hair kind of, it's soft, but it's not as soft as it usually is after I, shampoo and condition, or even just co-wash my hair. So I don't know if that's the reason why my hair feels a little stiff, but it is a little bit softer. It is a little bit softer, but it could be any reason why it's not as soft as it usually is. But I am gonna do this again, you guys. Probably not on video, of course, but I will do this again just for my own reference, just to see, maybe possibly not shampooing my hair right before I put the bentonite clay on, just to see, because I do have to shampoo it out. Anyway, my final thoughts on this is, again, I think I need further investigation on if this is going to really make my hair soft. It used to, but then again, it was way before I ever started bleaching my hair or putting color in my hair. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but that's just what I'm telling you guys. That's just, it's soft, but it's a little stiff soft, if you guys know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my leave-in conditioners, and I'm not going to do that on camera, but that's what I'm going to do now, is put in my leave-in conditioners, and probably 2 strand twist my hair for tomorrow, or whatever like that. But yeah. Okay, you guys, well, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you in the very next video. Until then, take care.